see a 3-bedroom apartment in Benimaclet neighborhood, in the neighborhood of the students of Valencia. Let's go inside. Entrance door, the entrance hall with the main door. Behind me is the corridor. Here is the kitchen, one bathroom, and over there you got the living, laundry and bedrooms and another bathroom. We're gonna start here in your own bathroom. This bathroom is only for one bedroom, and here you got a sink, a mirror, toilet, bidet and bathtub. Okay, so here is the kitchen. Nice kitchen with natural light, and here you got a table with 4 chairs, a fridge and freezer, gas range, microwaves, oven, storage here. You got more cupboards, there are pots and plates, mugs, 2 sinks, the cleaning stuff. There are pots and pans, and here is the cutlery, and you got a small balcony with street views. Okay, so now we go again in the corridor, and here on the left you got the laundry room where you got the washing machine, a sink, a natural gas water heating system and a clothesline. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms of the landlord. Here is the bathroom of the landlord. That's another bedroom of the landlord, and here is the bedroom to rent. And in this bedroom you got some shelving here, a desk, a chair, a single bed, a bedside table with storage, a window with interior views, and a built-in wardrobe. Okay, and now the last room. This is the living, and a spacious living with a lot of natural light, with a lot of windows. This living has here some storage space and shelving, a great table with 5 chairs, a rack to dry your clothes inside the house, a 3-people sofa, a coffee table, 2 armchairs. Here are the views from here, from the living. It's a 5th floor, and there you got a balcony. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed. It was Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adios.